Icera-inĩ rĩa kamĩtĩ ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ ya Senate kaunti-inĩ ya Machokos, thibitarĩ-inĩ ya Athi River level 4 na Mwala level 4, kamĩtĩ ĩno yugĩte atĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya Machokos ndĩrĩhĩte aruti a wĩra amwe kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri 6, andũ mararuta wĩra mehoketwo mĩciĩ yao gũkũ kaunti hingĩire ithondetwo ĩno.
Liza, umekaa miezi ngapi bila kulipwa?
Around a year.
Ati a year plus. A year plus hujalipwa?
Hujalipa mtu 1 year plus. Nasema tumemlipa.
Goja to now answer the question. When did you last pay the contract?
I'm 1 month old and I paid them yesterday.
Sasa jamani, mnajua hii ni laana. Hii ni laana.
Sababu kama leo tumepata wafanyikazi casuals hawajalipwa miezi 5 na bado wako hapa wanafanya kazi. Ingawaje tutaweza kuzungumza nao, tuongee na governor tukifanya debrief ili kesho, kwa sababu nimeangalia vitabu za finance, nimeangalia bank statements, na hii pesa huyo mtu anaitwa Mutuko, sijui Mutuko nani amepatiwa hiyo contract, kulingana na watu wa finance ameshalipwa pesa yake.
Kamĩtĩ ĩno yugĩte kwaga kũrĩha aruti a wĩra na makĩria rũhonge-inĩ rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ nĩ kũiga mĩoyo ya andũ hatĩka-inĩ na kũhe mweke ũheani wa motungata ma gĩkĩro gĩa thĩ.
Please fix the gaps, because even when you are treating patients, don't make our people become patients by having mental problems because you are underpaying them.
Therefore, we are calling to order the county government to ensure if you give a contract to somebody, follow it up and ensure they deliver on their mandate to the young people of this country.
Thibitarĩ-inĩ ya Athi River level 4, arwaru me hatĩka-inĩ ya kũgwatwo nĩ mĩrimũ ĩrĩa yumanaga na gĩko kuona gũtirĩ na maĩ.
Athi River level 4 tumeipata in a very critical bad state. Kwa hivyo hiyo iangaliwe, maji iwekwe, wagonjwa wahudumiwe vilivyo na hata usafi udumishwe.
So far there are so many challenges, but I have realized that most of the efforts is being done in the referral hospital. They have neglected the county hospitals.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waithira Duati wa Mwangi.